In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on automatic software updates on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Automatic Software Updates, and you can use the toggle switch here to turn them on. This should keep software and games up to date automatically. You could check for system updates with the option at the top of this page. That's how to turn on automatic software updates on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.